Hello guys, my name is Disam and I'm working on a project named DevBridge. So basically what a DevBridge is that it is a bridge like a AI system which helps the beginner developers who are new in the coding. They can contribute to the open source project in GitHub. So why did I uh, develop DevBridge as a AI systems. So we can see that there are multiple structures like the which repo to in which repo we can contribute that we have to decide. We have to go through the whole code basis. We have to check the contributing.md. So to get rid of those extra processes, we can use the AI agents and we can directly start contributing to the repository. Okay, so that was the my solution to this problem. Next is the architecture that how this system works. So like if the user adds the forms in my system, it invokes the planner node, which takes the intent of the user, like how the user is a beginner or professional developer, and then it goes to the discovery nodes in which the node analyzes the GitHub repo system, which repository it is usable to the user. Next, it goes to the analysis, which does the analysis of the repo, understand the code basis. Then the parallel execution works in which the contribution nodes is there and issue nodes is. Then both of the data is merged into the single JSON format, and then response node agent gives the user as an MD. Okay, so this was the architecture. So now let's move on to the RAM. Okay, so I have already opened the ADK playground. Now I will add the prompt maker. First one is done. First, it is analyzing that if the request is safe or not. Then it has gone to the planner node. Okay, so now the contribution node and issue node has done working, and now the response composer is merging both the uh, data. So after merging.